Hi, this is Robert Kelly, and you're looking at the interface here for Google Wave. Google Wave incorporates the elements of email, and you can see what looks like a basic email interface here with the inbox, different messages, as well as participants, and as well as being able to see a particular email itself. It also includes the element of a discussion board. So we'll take a look here at this particular wave. This wave is called Data Analysis Using the One-Way ANOVA, and it's an entire lesson, if you will, on how to do the one-way ANOVA. The wave is divided up into wavelets. So each one of these rectangles, if you will, is its own wavelet. Let's go ahead and take a look at the top wavelet. Like a discussion board, consider this first wavelet like a post. You could edit the message, you can reply to the message, you can also do a private reply to the person who created the message. So if I say reply to this message, now I can go ahead and say something like, I like these learning goals. But you should also include, and then I might mention something else that should also be included. And that way it's like a discussion board. So think of each one of these wavelets, if you will, as its own discussion post. It also, Google Wave, includes elements of a wiki. So here's my first wavelet at the top, and I can go into this wavelet and I can say edit this message. Not only can I edit this message, but anyone who is a participant on this wave can edit this message. So very similar in that way to a wiki, where everyone can work together in a collaborative fashion. When I'm done editing, I would just click the Done button. It's also similar to instant messaging, so that if both I and another person are editing at the same time, we'll see both edits being made simultaneously. And I could actually, as though it were a chat, I could reply to this particular wavelet, and someone else could then reply back to me, and we could be going back and forth in real time. The Wave makes it pretty easy to install images. You can take an image from your photo folder and literally drag and drop. I found that it worked okay with Internet Explorer, but I eventually switched over to Google's Chrome browser so that it would work more flawlessly. Once you move an image into the Wave, the Google Wave will down sample it so that it will create a thumbnail. And then anyone can take a look at the thumbnail and make it bigger by double clicking on it. You can also insert videos very easily. You just take a YouTube URL, you paste it in, and then you have the option to click on to embed the video. Likewise, you can move a PDF over, just literally drag and drop, and then you can give a name to that PDF for everyone to see, and the thumbnail is just the first page of that PDF. I also went ahead and used links. These are links to Google Docs, and by clicking on it, it'll go ahead and open up the Google Doc, and the person then can read what's on the Google Doc. I happen to make this a URL that allows people not only to look at it, but to edit it. So any changes made here, others would see as well. I have here a wave called Ideas for Wave in Learning. This gives you an example of a wave where everyone kind of contributed together in putting something together. So there's a lot of interaction, lots of people talking with one another. What's really cool is this particular wave was embedded inside of a blog. So here's the blog, and they have right here the wavelet. The wave. So this is outside of Google Wave, but someone has embedded inside this blog the Google Wave. And what's cool is you can click on it, edit this message, and if I type something here, it now appears inside the wave itself. I'm going to go back and undo it so I won't disturb them. So you can embed a Google Wave inside of a blog, and people can edit the wave either through the Google Wave interface or through the blog. Though currently you have to have a Google Wave account to make that happen. Enjoy.